So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I will be showing y'all some meal ideas, things I've been eating that I'm pretty sure you all will love to make as well. So before we get into this video, go ahead and join the family by hitting the subscribe button, and then I'm that family member that's gonna let y'all know that I'm coming through. And how I'm doing it is by y'all hitting that notification bell, so you'll be notified of any time Miss Nicole coming through, your cousin, your auntie, whatever I am to you. That's how I'm gonna let y'all know that I'm coming through. So let's get into this video, y'all. What you all see in this pot is ground beef. It kind of resembles sloppy joe, but it's not sloppy joe. But these are some Philly cheesesteak sliders, and I'm mad I don't have any mushroom, but I'm working with what I got. So what I first did was I cooked the ground beef. I set that to the side, and in a bowl I sauteed some onions and bell peppers. Once the onions and bell pepper were soft, then I added my ground beef in. What I did was I wanted it to be a little bit thicker consistency, so I added just a smidge of this brown gravy mix, and then I added a little bit of beef broth. And then the reason it looks a little bit more thicker than that, I added one piece of this Provel cheese in there to kind of get it to the consistency that I wanted. And I added a couple of shreds of this triple cheddar cheese. Like, if y'all have not tried this cheese, try it and thank me later. This brand is killing any cheese brand y'all ever ate. So in the next clip you will see me piece everything together, but this is a really good idea. I saw this on Facebook on one of them little videos, and I decided to tweak it and make it my own. So I'm gonna finish grounding up this beef. So I went to the store and got some mushrooms. My sandwich would not have been complete without it. And this is ground beef. I sauteed up some onions, mushrooms, bell pepper. Mix it all together with a little beef stock and a little bit of gravy packet. And these are some rolls that I put in the oven. Melted some American cheese and some provolone cheese. And this is the finished result. This is super easy. I have been seeing this recipe on Facebook and TikTok, and I put my own twist on it. But yeah, don't they look good, y'all? Super easy to make. This was just like, I'm probably not gonna eat all these, but they look really good, y'all. So again, what you need is ground beef. Cut up some peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Saute the mushrooms, onions, and peppers. Cook your ground beef. Combine the meat and your veggies. Then you're going to do some beef stock. I've seen people do ketchup and make the little sauce, but I just did beef stock, a little bit of gravy, and this is how it turned out. Ooh. So y'all, I ain't washing no dishes, okay? I'm not washing no dishes, but this is, so far I'm gonna see if I can eat 2 of these. Might roll over to 3. Wow, I ate all 4 of them things. Onion rings that I cooked in the air fryer. Yes, y'all, this is dinner, so make this for your family. You can do so many different variations, but yeah, you can either do fresh custom steak and cook it if you want to. You can do shaved steak, but I chose to do ground beef, and it's just some butter and parsley on the top. Look at that, y'all. And on the bottom layer I put cheese, and then meat, and then on to meal idea number 2. Tonight for dinner we're having some fried chicken wings, some wild rice, and some broccoli. So what you see here, which I did a lot of this off camera, I thawed out some frozen party wings. Just frozen party wings you can get from anywhere, and I seasoned these to perfection, y'all, with some Cajun seasoning, some sriracha salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and yeah. Then I'm gonna let this marinate throughout the day. So I just wanted you all to see what it looks like. What I figured out is when you marinate your chicken, then before you fry it, bring it to room temperature, and it will turn out delicious. So I just want y'all to see the wings. This is just 5 wings that I have seasoned to perfection, y'all. And then I'm ready to transfer them over to this Ziploc freezer bag, put them in the refrigerator. So y'all, I did miss a few steps. I know y'all did not want to see no chicken and no flour. Like, who want to see that? But this is my chicken, and believe it or not, y'all, I did not used to know how to fry chicken. Like, I didn't used to have my grease hot enough. I didn't use, that was my main problem. It took you to be almost 40 years old to learn how to fry some chicken. But I'm just in here turning it, and this is my third time actually frying it and getting it perfect, y'all. But I'm just gonna finish frying this chicken, and then tonight when I eat this, because I am cooking this before work, when I heat it up, I'm just gonna put it in the oven really fast. But I'm gonna eat this with some raw rice and some broccoli. This is like a really good meal to cook for your family. I did marinate the chicken overnight, and then I took it out, let it get to room temperature before I fried it. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, y'all. Here is the chicken all completely fried and crispy, and it looks freaking amazing, y'all. Ooh, this chicken look good. Chicken look good, girl. Your chicken look good, girl. So when I reheat this tonight, I'm going to just pop it in the oven real quick, and it'll just totally bring it back to life. Y'all got to excuse my dry hands. Look, I've washed them obsessively, so they are completely dry. But yeah, this chicken look good, y'all. Get into it. I have been an air fryer queen, but sometimes I like to fry chicken. I made some hot wings last week, and I put them in the air fryer. Air fried them, then put the hot sauce, and then put them back in the air fryer. But yeah, y'all, get into this fried chicken. Yes, y'all. So y'all, I did not end up making the raw rice or none of that. But we're going to get on to making smoothies. I showed y'all a smoothie already completed, but I'm going to show y'all how I make mine. This milk, my mama got me hip to it. It's lactose free. Not saying I'm lactose intolerant, but this is a little bit gentler on my stomach. So I just put a little bit of milk in there. Then I put a little bit of apple juice. Do a little blueberries in here. Pineapple. 2 pieces of pineapple in there. Put a few little chunks of mango in there. If I ever see fruit at Dollar Tree, like, get it, because frozen fruit is expensive, but they just really small. But that don't matter, because it's $1. You can get multiple bags of this. So since the strawberry's kind of small, I put a little bit more of the strawberries. And the final thing I'm going to put is these peaches. Now, I had got 4 bags of peaches from the Dollar Tree, and I put them all in this big bag. Now, if I went to my local grocery store, I wasn't going to get this many peaches for $4. So I learned my lesson. But yeah, let me put my peaches in there. I mostly put a lot of peaches because I love peaches. I'm going to put the peaches in there. Probably going to do like 3 peaches because those kind of big. Well, maybe find one more little one. So far this is what it's looking like. I used to add honey in there, but apple butter, because on the back of apple butter, it says perfect for add apple butter to smoothies or oatmeal. So in apple butter, this don't have that much sugar. Sugar is 7 grams, so I've been doing apple butter instead of honey. So I just put a tablespoon of apple butter. A teaspoon. I don't know, the smallest spoon, not the big spoon. And then I'm probably gonna add, it's not a lot of fruit in there, so I'm gonna add a few more little peaches. And then my other thing I put in there is yogurt. Just plain yogurt. I didn't get the sweetened vanilla yogurt or nothing like that. And the yogurt makes it very creamy. So, and then sometimes the yogurt had that little liquid in there, so I just pour that in there too. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do to top it off, I put a little bit of Sunny Delight on the top. And I need a lot of liquid for this magic bullet. I learned that the hard way. If you don't put enough liquid in there, it'd be so hard to blend. So, I got my top on here. Basically, I'm going to add ice once everything kind of start blending up. But yeah, it's going to be loud, y'all. And then I shake it up periodically so the liquid will get down to the bottom, because that blade it'll overheat. Not overheat, yeah, I think it'll overheat and it'll stop if it feels like it's working too hard. And okay, so y'all, this is a thick one, but I like them thick, so I had to scoop it out. But yeah, this is the consistency of it. And when I tell y'all, you can do any type of variations that you like. I found that what I put in these makes it super creamy and super good. So yeah, I drink this right when I start work, so I'm going to put it in the freezer just to keep it chilled until I'm ready to drink it. I start working in about 20 minutes, but this is what I'm working with. So yeah, y'all, try these smoothies. Again, this is what I put in mine: yogurt, peaches, whatever fruit I got. Get y'all some fruit from the Dollar Tree, whatever they have. But I got peaches, strawberries, blueberries, pineapple, and mango. I put milk, Sunny Delight or orange juice, whatever you got, and apple juice and apple butter.